Hey guys, welcome back to the new blog. And today I'm starting a new series called Forgotten in the Time. Being the first episode of the series, I'm taking you back in the time some about 4000 years ago. On the banks of Malini River was situated the famous ashram of sage Kana. It was called Kanva Ashram. It was a center of spiritual and academic studies where tens of thousands of students acquire knowledge under the guidance of Chancellor Sage Khan. And in the present time, it is most likely that many among us are not aware of the vibrant bond which exists between the prehistoric Kanvashram located on the banks of river Malini, which is around 14 kilometers from Kotdwar in the state of Uttarakhand. All of us, the citizens of this great nation, do know that our country is called Bharat Varsh. But why? Possibly this is also in our knowledge that this name is derived from the name of the mighty emperor Bharat, who with his dynamic leadership integrated this vast subcontinent and ruled it for many decades. Kanva Ashram has its existence from 5500 years back. As per the legends, sage Vishwamitra intense meditation made king of gods Indra to feel unsecure. Indra then sent heavenly damsel Menka to distract the rishi Vishwamitra, and Menka successfully intervened meditation of the sage Vishwamitra, and Menka gave birth to a daughter named Shakuntala. Both of parents left her in the ashram in the taken care of Sage Khan. After marrying Dushyant, ruler of Hastinapur, Shakuntala gave birth to a son named Bharat in the Kanvashram, and Bharat also studied in Kanvashram, and by its virtue our country was named Bharat or Bharatvarsh. Kanvashram is neither a religious nor a godly place, but a place which represents the very spirit or soul of the mighty nation Bharat. To bring such a place back to its pinnacle of glory should be the dream and ambition of every citizen of this nation. Every nation has memorials which are symbols of its nation unity and inspiration to its citizens. Dignitaries and peoples from far and wide visit such site and pay glowing tributes to the creator of the architect of that nation. But there is no such memorial exists in our nation which honors the creator of this ancient civilization. Though a considerable time has been lost, but to make amends at this late stage may still be sufficient motivation to the coming generation to hold this vast stretch of landmass together like Emperor Bharat did, so that it continues to be respectfully addressed to as Bharatvarsh. Thousands of years have passed since the creation of this mighty nation and its golden historic past. River Malini still streams down gently and softly from the folds of Sivalik mountains range. Sadly though, its banks are devoid of the world-famous education and spiritual center, an ideal university where thousands of students used to acquire knowledge under the guidance of Chancellor of the university, the learned sage Khan. And I request all of you to pay a visit to this place, which is near to Kotdwar in the state of Uttarakhand. Though the government has renovated this place, but it requires more attention, being a national heritage and a place from where our nation is known as to be Bharat or Bharatvarsh.